What's up guys, it's Aaron from the 30-Day No Porn Challenge. In this video I wanted to talk about how to stop masturbation addiction. First of all guys, addiction is basically there comes a trigger, there's a behavior, and then there's reward or a result. So really overcome this guys, figure out your triggers, go to God when you're feeling lonely, when maybe your trigger is being home alone. Go to God when you're home alone, or go somewhere else, like go to a coffee shop and talk with a friend, or go to God, or when you're lonely, or maybe that's a trigger for you, or when you're rejected, feel rejected. To stop masturbation, you really have to figure out what your triggers are, and it's going to take some time. Don't get discouraged if you screw up. Keep moving forward. Don't give up. God doesn't want you to give up and stay in your addiction. Keep going, okay? To stop masturbation addiction, you really have to fight, because masturbation and pornography are one of the most addictive things on this earth. 4 times more addictive than heroin. So figure out your trigger, and then that's really it. There's not much else to it. I know I make a lot of videos doing the same thing, kind of saying the same thing over and over, but I really want to get it through your head that understand your triggers and understand what makes you triggered, what makes you want to go to pornography, masturbation, or just masturbation. Because with masturbation addiction, you really have to think, okay, so use a rubber band when you're struggling, when you're tempted, or when you first get the thought, because it starts with the thought, right? So when you first get the thought, snap a rubber band. Get a rubber band, snap it, and that'll redirect your thoughts. That'll redirect your brain, rewire your brain to think different thoughts, because that's associated with pain. So if you keep doing that over and over, it's going to be like, no, I don't want to think those thoughts, and then you'll think other thoughts. Obviously, you'll still have thoughts that are lustful, but to quit masturbation, stop masturbation addiction, you really have to rewire your brain, which rubber band is helpful. Maybe a flick on the chest, really hard flick, something to redirect your mind, okay? Also, go to extremes. If you need to get a flip phone, do that for a while. Go to the extreme, because this is serious, guys. This is a serious addiction, and really does take away from a lot in life. So that's how to stop masturbation addiction. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Click the link in the description for accountability software. Also, hit me up if you guys want to learn more about addiction. I would love to talk to you more on a phone call or something like that. Leave a comment below what you thought of the video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day.